been with the Central Board. I've been the Health and Environment Cluster's best friend, mommy, #1 fan, maybe their side dish and their student. On normal days, you would see me probably in the classroom, sa MVP, so Women's Department ng Library, sa mga organs. So there. And right now, I'm standing in front of you, asking you to allow me to be your next focus. Okay. So first, I have to thank you to everyone na nag-IC. Alam ko medyo awkward, medyo stalker mode, na yung mga mga sa Facebook na mag-green dot para lang makausap kayo. Medyo awkward nga kasi parang lalataw sa inyo na lang ako, ano bang plano mo? Tapos sabi ko, okay, medyo hindi ko pa rin sure. Pero don't worry, it was helpful, it was really helpful. And not just making a platform, but really making a roadmap for next year. Okay, so that's the platform. Yeah. Anyway, so what came out of these ICs and of course my personal experience of 2 years of being CD and 2 years of being an board member. This one, disconnect. Among the COA units na orgs don't really feel that they belong to COA. And when they say COA, sabi na, kasi yung COA, redundant, yung COA, imposing, yung COA, ang ipag-compete sa mga orgs namin. And parang medyo mali yung notion na yun. Kasi parang sinasabi na COA equals CD. Pero hindi. Tayo yung COA, 50 organizations, yung CD. And the COA that I know is, of course, that 50 organizations, that community of 50 organizations with diverse species who share, and it's a platform where everyone can synergize and collaborate. And this is the goal that I want to emphasize next year, a more integrated council. If Josh would focus on the people of making everyone integrated, knowing each other, grounding and leveling off, so that everyone can work together. I would focus more on the units, with having them integrated, having their functions, their services, and most importantly, their directions, so that it will lead us to a better promotion of our unique org life here in the Ateneo, and so that we can maximize the shared experience as a community. So, paano? Okay, we'll start tayo sa alignment and direction na nag-trickle down din sa EBs and sa CHES. Realignment and direction to what? To need-based initiatives and the increased interaction among units. Okay, how will we trickle this down? For the EB departments, the beauty of COA is that it's a rudimentary structure, so it has direct links to org counterparts, and they are in the position to target the shared needs of orgs to produce short-term and long-term outputs, like FO and financial management, SP for project management, SG for PR and admin. And ultimately, we want increased interaction. Dun sa papasok yung concrete stuff. Na yung best practices, hindi lang every year may best practices, wala naman tayo. Parang hanggang sa year na lang yun. So, if you do the coordinating, tap and tap potentials of the orgs. Like for example, there's SEI, AJNA and AMA are really willing. Why can't FO tap them and make it institutionalized na, ito, gamitin natin si AJNA and si AMA, invite natin yung orgs kasi related tayo sa kanilang lahat, at try natin solve yung SEI. Next, on the long term, replicable tools, frameworks, and guides na accessible sa kada org member na kung how to conduct plans, how to approach a project, and yan, pwede nila ma-contextualize pag nakita nila sa isang webpage, for example, ng SG. On the CHES level, the need-based initiatives, CHES, ang beauty sa CHES, meron siyang macro and micro approach. So pwede siyang mag-hands-on sa bawat organization sa cluster niya. And that essentially is to target the individual needs of every organization and start initiatives that can address it in a specialized way. So how to do this? CHES should have matching services. Match yung needs and services ng bawat org. We had people like this year, the OHA, when all the CHES said their needs and their services. But it has to be authentic. So regular CHES networking, meeting, like Josh wants it to be informal, but we want it more regular. Na yung mga reports and work tracker na ito, CHES, ito yung org needs ko, ano yung services mo, baka we can work together. Okay, for integrated council, of course, the core involvement. So, not to stop on consultation, but through reports from the president and the CHES. Okay, the next main point, of course, we want this integrated council because we are in a bigger community. We do not exist in a vacuum, and if we really want to promote this org life, we have to be whole as a council, and yun, papasok na dito yung separating ourselves in a bigger community through lobbying and, of course, externalization. Lobbying na proactive, aggressive, na if there are institutionalized principles, we should say na we should show everyone our reports and outputs. And on the externalization part, dito na magpasok experiences talaga this year. Like, offices, institutions within Ateneo, they need us, they want to learn from us, they want to give us something. And dito na magpasok yung experiences sa BNP na nakita mo talaga kung paano nag-work yung bawat organization na kahit iba-iba yung mga CCs nila, policy of work. And dun sana magpasok yung award packages na merong Ateneo BNP na sa first in line, nakikita lang yung sa mga services, pero in succession, first in line Ateneo ESS, PMSA, nandun sila sa volunteer management and tapos saka papasok, kapag pumasok na yung AMA and of course ASHNA in helping us to sustain the communities. Next, of course, is what I learned from ASLA. The org, hindi lang tayo yung Ateneo may org members. Dati sa ibang Ateneo na merong org members na wala pa kasi ng maayos na kosa na OAS at COA. And I think that we can learn from them and they can learn from us. So I want to explore these org counterparts and COA counterparts sa labas ng Ateneo, sa iba't ibang Ateneo. And, okay, so what is this added value? In the end, for orgs, I just want to show the orgs that they have opportunities for their CCs to express their CCs, and that they have support, not only from the city, but also from their